Hi there, it's Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Today I'm going to replace this shelf. I got a customer here that wants a new shelf, and you can tell this one's pretty bad looking. It's all tore up from the water, and we're going to replace it. And I will replace the shelf, and I will show you the new countertop, and you let me know if you like it or not. I'll be right back with the shelf on. Alright, I got the shelf off. We're at City Lights Hair Salon. I got their shelf off, and in just a second I'll be putting the shelf on, and we'll show you the new shelf. Alright, I'm back. I got the counter installed. Tuan and Jean are just about here. We're at City Lights Hair Salon, and out here at Center and Leith in Flint. I'm going to polish this up because they're just about ready to get here, and we're going to see what they think about this piece. They'll like this polish that I get from Stone Coat. It's got a really good smell to it, and I'll polish this thing up and it'll look really nice. So I'll be polishing here for just a little bit, and then hopefully Jean and Twine will be here and get their reaction, what they think of their new shelf. I sure hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. Alright, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think they're going to love this. Matches their walls and their sinks. Alright, pretty soon they'll be here and we'll be ready to go. Alright, here they are. There's Jean and Tuan. What do you think of your new shelf, guys?
That looks good.
I like it. I like it.
So what you're thinking is going to be?
Yeah. Yes, it's perfect.
Alright.
Really nice.
This is really nice.
Yes.
I like it.
This is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Thanks for watching.